If you are having problem with your CS2 game like this, matchmaking failed, VAC was unable to verify your game session, then this video is for you. I am going to show you how to fix it. First you have to shut down the game. Then you have to go to your Steam account, then to the library, then to the Counter-Strike option on the left side. Then on the right side you will see the setting option. Then you have to click to the properties. Then you have to go to the installed files. Then you will see the option verify these game files are installed correctly. Clicking it, the files will be verified, and that's it. This will solve your problem, but if it doesn't work after doing it, restart your computer and try doing it again and start the game. Thank you. If this video was helpful for you, please do like the video. Until next time.